welcome everybody to my YouTube channel, Live for Today. Today I'm going to talk about a Ryobi tool set that I bought on Black Friday that I absolutely love. Check it out.
Okay, we'll start off by going to homedepot.com. We'll search Ryobi. If I could spell, that would help. There we go. And we're going to look up tool sets. There we go. Tool combo kit. And we'll look for the product I bought. It was a 6-piece set. There it is. Still on sale for $1.99. Great. It was a great deal. As you see, it comes with 6 tools and a bag. And it comes with 2 batteries. You got the drill, an impact drill, a sawzall, a circular saw. Nice carrying bag. Here's a better picture, you can see. Got the circular saw, the multi-tool, which is kind of a pain in the ass. The impact driver, sawzall, a flashlight, which I don't plan on using because I just don't see a use for it. This multi-tool, I had an issue with it. I couldn't get it to cut nothing. I think it was the blade. Comes with I'll get this to work, 2 batteries. Come on. Got the 1.5 amp and a 4 amp battery, the charger, and the bag. Got the regular drill. So this is a really good set for $199. I cannot complain at all. Like I said, it's a Black Friday special. I got it for $199. They say normally it's $300 or $299. So for $199, I cannot complain at all. Now, let's go over to Amazon. Come on, Amazon.com. There we go. I'm getting it. All right, and we'll type in Ryobi tool set. Come on. I am not the best typer in the world. Got it. Now let's see if we can find it here. There we go. Not here yet. Where is it? I know it's here somewhere. Amazon hiding things on me. There we go. This is it. Nice. Yeah, so this is exactly the same set. They have multiple buying options. Let's see what their prices are. $229 is the lowest price. That is still an absolutely huge bargain for this set of tools. I cannot complain at all with this set because for me, I have absolutely no professional knowledge of working with this tools. Yeah, I'm just a guy that works around the house getting DIY projects done, and half the time I have no idea what I'm doing when I start. I just figure it out. And for $229, it's a steal. You really cannot beat it. Obviously, Home Depot has the Black Friday special for $199, and that's fantastic. But you know, the likelihood of that lasting is not very much there because the price of this is amazing. The carrying bag is great because you can fit all the tools in there and it's very comfortable to carry. It doesn't even affect you at all. Let's see, what else can I talk about? It's all around great. I'm going to have a video posted after this of me using the different tools. Just a fair warning, I like I said, I am not a professional, so I probably use new tools the wrong way. It's not going to be pretty.
There's a second board, but the screws are long enough to go through both of them.
Good.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? We're getting this shit done today. So, I got this Ryobi set. It's freaking amazing. I got it on at a Home Depot for $1.99. I cannot complain at all. It's super cool. It's making this job super easy. I mean,
We had it from the beginning.
I wish we had it from the beginning. If we had it from the beginning, this would have been a lot faster. Before I was dealing with a Black & Decker because, you know, I'm just a cheapo.
Wired.
Yeah, it was all wired, and it just didn't have the strength to do anything. It just was horrible. Now with this, I mean, it just goes like butter. Yeah, it only took 6 months to get motivated. That was the problem, motivation. And pissing off the neighbors. There we go. Okay. Building the shed, getting it done. Early. It's cold.
Chocolate fly, who wants it?
See? It's as crooked as a politician. But it worked.
I gave him a straight line. He didn't follow.
No. Following directions is not my thing. But oh, there we go. All the people are cringing. All those professional contractors out there like, oh my God! I'm not a professional. I'm just a guy that got
We just looked the part.
Yeah, I'm a YouTube professional. I've got a set of Ryobi from. How did that happen? Measure twice, cut once. That's funny.
The heck?
Yeah, I love it. 21 3/4. 21 3/4. We got this. Cutting board. Take 3. We got it measured right this time. I hope. Not the size that matters. As long as you can hit the sides. Does it fit? Does it fit? Oh yeah, we'll just the hammer.
Keep a little bit off.
Yeah, that's fine. Here, check this out, guys. Here's the Ryobi Impact drill that came with my set. Check this out. It's like butter. Tap it like it's hot. Like nothing, man. Nothing. $199 Home Depot. But I saw the same thing on Amazon for the same price. Check the link below and you can get yourself one of these. $199 for the 6-piece set. Get the impact drill. You get the small little handsaw. Get a sawzall. The multi-tool, which I had to Google search to see what the hell it does, which actually I saw online. They use a lot for drywall, but they also use it for cutting nails and everything.
precision work. And then the regular drill. And the cool bag.
The little baby.
Yeah. Oh, and there's a light here somewhere. Oh, and a flashlight that I don't ever see myself using. But
Battery.
I know. But I don't ever see myself using it. But you get all 6 tools, $199. All right, so on Amazon, I'll link the description below. I found these batteries that will fit in the Ryobi. They're 18 volts. And as you can see, the lighting's sick, so let me fix this. All right, take 2. So here is a battery I bought from Amazon. It's 18 volt, I'm not sure if you can see it. 3600 milliamp. It is Mighty Max battery. So when I was going on Amazon looking for batteries, where did it go? My bigger battery, where the fuck did it go? So when I was looking for additional batteries, because my 6-pack came with one 4 amp and a 1.5. Sorry about the lighting, guys. This is not great, but we were working on this shed today, and it's not done yet. We're gonna have lighting in tomorrow, but anyway, so it came with a 1.5 milliamp and a 4 milliamp or 4 amp battery, which is cool. It's really nice. However, the pack came with 6 tools, so I can't complain, right? So I got the regular drill. I got an impact drill, sawzall, the multi-tool, and the lamp. Like I said, I probably won't use the lamp too much. Well, maybe I will. I mean, but I just don't know. I would rather have a dome. But either way, when I was looking to, because I have so many tools, I want more batteries. These are like $50 a piece, like 45. I'll put the link in the description below, so you can check it out on Amazon. The thing I really like is it has indicator lighting. You might push it, bam. So this is got 4 bars still, which is really nice. This knockoff, I bought both batteries. I got another one at home. I didn't bring it with me, but both 36 milliamps, 3600 milliamp, and I got both of them for $25 on sale on Amazon. So I can't complain. The only thing I've noticed about these batteries is that when I plugged it into my charger that's at home, the indicator light on the charger does not change. So I'm not sure if it's charging or not. I will have to let you know later. But like when I plug this in, it does show you that it is charging. So there's no question. So I'll show you in a second what I'm talking about when I go home. I'll just paste it in there so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm back home and it's been the next day. I've had this the cheapo battery from Amazon on the charging station for over 12 hours easily, and it still shows not charged. So I do not know if this thing just doesn't send back feedback that it's charging or what. But if it's the connectors, the right connectors. So that's interesting. I don't know if it is charging or not. If later I find out that it doesn't work, I will make a video about that. So onward. You take these and check out the power of these drills. I'll just use them. So this little regular drill is pretty nice. See if it's in the view, the camera. I'm going to touch it down a little bit. There we go. It would help if I had it secured, huh? Nice and quick, simple. This is about 2.5 inches wide. Like butter. Really nice, really nice. Can't complain. Now, my impact driver, I love this thing. It would help if I had the right tool, the right bit. Give that a try. Look, there we go. There it is. That's funny. Let's try that again. This time we will have the battery. Alright, so now we have the new battery. We had the bit. Let's do this. Done. And it went into the table. Just like that, man. So fast. So strong. Let's see if we can do this. I'm burning the shit out of myself. Okay. Let's see how fast I can do this. Get it started a little bit. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Done. I mean, that's just nothing. I cannot complain. Damn it. Shit in there. God damn it. All right. Now for the next tool. Got the multi-tool, which is really nice. However, the blade that it came with is not super strong. I don't think it's made for this kind of wood, but let's see what happens. I think it's for this blade, primarily for sheetrock or something. Yeah, it just doesn't do shit for this. It must be a sheetrock blade. It doesn't tell you in there. As you see, these little teeth. Try to get into focus. There we go. Yeah, I mean, I think it's just for sheetrock. But I don't know. You guys probably know a hell of a lot more than me. Like I said before, I am not a professional tool guy. I'm just a guy that goes to fucking Home Depot and buys shit and figures out how to use it. I'm not professional. I'm sure you can tell that. Anyway, so let me show you the last tool that came with this fucking battery. This is exactly why I needed more batteries. I don't want to be switching shit all the time. It's no fun having to switch batteries all the damn time. So, see, you got the fucking Amazon special battery. I can't complain. Get this out of my buddy's table. There you can see, guys. Got the Sawzall multi-tool. My freaking circular saw. Regular drill. Impact drill. And the Sawzall came with a blade. This multi-tool came with this blade. And it also came with sander attachments. The impact and the drill did not come with anything except, well, this drill came with this regular screwdriver bit, Phillips and flat. The impact came with one Phillips, and that's what it, and the saw came with a blade, and it came with the 4 amp battery and the 1.5 amp battery. So I cannot complain. It did not come with really any impact bits or anything else. So I purchased this set. It comes with, I think it said 100 some odd pieces. So we got a bunch of impact bits and regular bits and all kinds of cool things that I'm sure I'll find a way to use. And I paid $20 for this. Now I cannot complain. Like I said, I bought this on Black Friday special at Home Depot for $199. I'm telling you, that is a screaming deal for this. I'm so happy. My wife got it for me for an early Christmas present, and I am super grateful because I love it. Before this, all I had was a Black & Decker corded power drill. That, I got a lot of shit done with that, but it really wasn't good with, like, drilling into this would have been a challenge. It would just, it would have been a challenge. I really also, with this set, I really love how it came with this bag. Everything just fits so nicely in here. For $200, you just can't beat it. That was the Black Friday special at Home Depot. It said the normal price for this setup was $300 for the normal price, which I don't know, maybe I'd pay $300. It is 6 tools, and if you bought it piece by piece, it would still be more expensive than $300 a month. So I cannot complain. However, I have found it on Amazon for what did I say? I saw it for $199 last night on Amazon, and then today I saw it for $240. Yesterday was Black Friday, and so it might have been a special for Black Friday, but still today it was like $245. And Home Depot regular price is $300. I'll put the link in the description below for you to check it out. Again, I got 2 of these batteries on Amazon.com for about $25 with my coupon, and it was a Black Friday special. Normally it said it was $30 for 2 of these 3.7 3.6 milliamp or 3600 milliamp battery. So 2 for $30. I can't beat it. However, I will let you know if anything changes with the battery, like if it stops charging or not, because the 2 batteries did not come with any instructions whatsoever. They just showed up in a plastic bag. So that to me was kind of an upsetting thing because I don't know. I just plugged it into the charger and the charger doesn't show that it's charging. But I don't know if it's just because the charger is made for this, and maybe these batteries have a feedback to tell it's charging. But I don't know. I will let you know if anything changes. I'll just put my battery in here. Put my bits in here. And I'll be putting my lamp here. But as you can see, all these tools fit really nice. Plenty of space to carry around with me. It was the best Christmas present I ever got. Ryobi. I can't complain. I wanted the rigid set when I went in there. Because I have a friend that's a professional contractor, and he was telling me about how good his rigid is, and it is amazing, don't get me wrong. But the guy at Home Depot, he was like, you know, if you're just a home guy, DIYer like me, you know, I just like to fiddle around with stuff. I don't really know what I'm doing, you know, especially not at a professional level. I'm just a guy that likes to put wood together and screws and nails and glue and see what comes out, right? So if you're like me, one of those guys, and you just want a little bit better than the freaking Black & Decker or whatever else is cheapo stuff, check out the Ryobi. See if you get this deal. This is, I mean, I can't really think of much else I might need. I mean, these batteries, it's the Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus series. So these batteries fit on everything. They have a leaf blower, they have a chainsaw, they have an edger, a weed eater, and it all fit the same batteries. So this is just, I think it's great. So I can just buy a bunch of the same batteries. I can buy one charger. I'll show you it now. In that charger, as you see, it holds like 6 batteries, so I can have all my batteries charging at the same time. Nothing to worry about. Well, thank you guys for staying till the end. I know this is kind of boring, and for any of you contractor guys that know what the hell you're doing, if I did anything wrong, let me know, which I know there'll be a laundry list of stuff. Maybe let me know about that multi-tool, maybe a little bit more information. I'll scour YouTube because I love YouTube. I love you guys. Love you. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching me rant and play with some new toys. Peace out. I mean, check this out.
Yeah, hold it.
Oh, that's good. Bam. One second. Bam. Fucking bam. We'll put this in the bloopers. Alright, check it out. I'm trying to cut my fucking hands off because it's on YouTube.